Here's how to unsend an email in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Click the settings gear icon in the top right, then choose See All Settings. Stay on the General tab. Find the Undo Send section. Make sure it's turned on. Choose how long Gmail gives you to unsend an email. You can select 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. I recommend choosing 30 seconds. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, when you send an email, you'll see an Undo option at the bottom left. Click Undo within the time limit to cancel the email. Once the time limit expires, the email can't be unsent. And that's it. You now know how to unsend emails in Gmail. Subscribe for more fast and simple Gmail tutorials.